Pecans don't just fall from the sky, see how they're really harvested. Pecans grow on trees like you see here. Once the weather shifts to cooler temperatures, the trees will start to lose their leaves and release the pecans that have been growing. Some of the pecans will fall to the ground, but a good majority of them need extra effort to finally fall. The harvesting process begins with a shaker that rigorously shakes each tree. This process is pretty cool. In fact, if you're standing anywhere close to the tree, you can actually feel the ground move. You'll notice too that the tractor has a protective covering above the cab. This helps to protect the tractor and driver from any limbs or pecans that are falling. The pecans fall quickly to the ground, and then the pecan harvester comes to pick the pecans up. The pecan harvester is another fascinating machine. It has a big wheel with rubber fingers that scoops each pecan and collects them in a hopper contained within the machine. Once the hopper is full, then it will dump the pecans into a trailer. From the trailer, the pecans will travel to a cleaning facility where each pecan is evaluated and sorted for quality. And that's how we at Millican Pecan harvest pecans. So head over to millicanpecan.com and get your fresh pecans today.